Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. To replace components, first remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Open the toilet seat and lid. Lift the toilet seat upward. Use one hand to press the ceramic body while lifting upward. After separating the toilet seat lid assembly from the ceramic body, lift the seat lid assembly slightly and move it backward a bit. You will see the internal cables and hoses inside the toilet. First, pull out all the cables. Locate the corresponding cables and unscrew them. Finally, remove the inlet hose. It may be tight the first time. You can use a wrench to assist. After unscrewing, the toilet seat lid assembly will be completely separated from the ceramic body. With the toilet seat lid assembly removed from the ceramic body, first unscrew the mounting screws. There are two mounting screws on the side of the toilet. Remove the decorative cover. Under the cover is the mounting screw. There is another screw on the other side of the toilet seat lid assembly that also needs to be removed. Remove the mounting screws and set them aside. Lay the unit flat and use a flathead screwdriver to pry up the retaining clips. After separating the base and the cover, disconnect the cables. First, disconnect the cables. Since this model is special, the main board has a cover, which needs to be unscrewed. After removing the cover, you can unplug the cables. Because there's waterproof adhesive on it, it may be a bit tricky to remove. Gently detach the waterproof adhesive. Use a little force. And use some force to pull out all the cables from the cover. Finally, remove the ground cable, which is also fixed with a screw. Unscrew it. Now the cover and the base are completely separated. Replace the cleaning device and water divider. First, loosen the screws securing the cleaning device assembly. Once removed, the entire cleaning device becomes movable. You'll need to unplug the connecting cables from the mainboard. Some of the cables are pressed under the mainboard. So start by loosening the screws on the mainboard. If you can't locate them, gently pull the cables to trace them. Unplug the cable connected to the cleaning device. Next, remove the water divider, which is located above the cleaning device. It also has a connecting cable right here beside the cleaning device. Unplug it and remove the water divider. There are two screws at the bottom that need to be unscrewed. Once the screws are removed, Disconnect all the cables. With all cables detached, the entire assembly becomes loose. Then pull out the water hoses firmly. After removal, note that the UV lamp is secured to the cleaning device with clips. Detach the UV lamp. On the side is the self-cleaning tube. It also needs to be removed. Align the clip like this to pull it out. The UV lamp bracket is clipped in place. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open. And remove the bracket. Now the entire cleaning device and water divider assembly is detached. With the new parts in hand, first organize the components. Then position them roughly in place. Start by installing the water divider. Tighten the screws. After securing it, reconnect the water hoses. Next, install the cleaning device. Since the self-cleaning tube and UV lamp were removed earlier, you'll need to reinstall them first. Be sure to place the clean water hose into the lower clip. Otherwise, the cleaning device might press on the hose and block water flow. Once installed, lower the cleaning device into place. Pay attention to the cleaning device's clips. They must snap into place for proper positioning. Align the screw holes. Then tidy up the hoses. And arrange the cables in place. Tighten the cleaning device's mounting screws. Check whether the extension and retraction function properly. Reconnect all the previously detached cables. If you want to simplify things, there is no need to route the cables from beneath the mainboard and plug them directly into their original positions on the board. The overflow tube that was removed earlier should be reinserted underneath. Tighten the mainboard screws. Reinstall the mainboard's cover. Tighten its screws. And the reassembly is complete. After replacing the parts, reconnect the cover cables to the mainboard. Make sure to tighten the ground cable screw. Check that no cables are left unconnected. Reinstall the decorative cover of the mainboard. The decorative cover also needs to be secured with screws. Alternatively, the decorative cover can be left off. Finally, check that all cables are properly connected. Close the cover. Tighten the mounting screws of the toilet seat lid assembly. Make sure to place the white rubber washer onto the screw. Assembly complete. Place the toilet seat lid assembly back on the ceramic body. Reconnect the corresponding cables to the ports on the toilet seat lid assembly. Each cable has an arrow indicator. Align the arrows to insert correctly. Incorrect connections will cause the component to malfunction. If a function is used when improperly connected, the toilet will not execute that function. After connecting the cables, tidy them up. Next, connect the two inlet hoses. Organize the rest of the cables underneath. Connect the cleaning inlet hose at this end. Be sure to screw it on tightly. Finally, pass the power cord through the bottom of the ceramic body. Arrange all the cables neatly. Once everything is in order, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly.